Might be an interesting place to fish. Curious what's beyond this bridge here. Oh, that's interesting. There's a little dead bluegill right there. Poor little guy. I am allowed to use found objects. The guy is clearly dead, but it might be worth an experiment. All right, found object fishing. Let's set him to the side for now. Oh, is that something pulling? Nope. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and tie on the bluegill. Found object. Totally within the rules. Now, in terms of where to hook him, I think through the mouth is probably going to be my best shot. That way he'll just be like a, I don't know, I'll have to kind of play with the motion on it. But I think I can, I mean, this is almost undoubtedly what they're eating. It's a good size. Let's give this a shot. What are the chances that I get completely gummed up in the weeds? High. I don't really know what I'm doing with this, so I'm just going to try to reel and jerk. Let it fall, maybe. Let's see how it moves if I just reel it. Actually, it pretty much just swims. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna forget the jerking it around. I'm just gonna reel it in. I don't know how many casts I'm gonna get out of this, but it'll fall a little bit. Okay, what about this? Instead of a straight reel, I'm gonna kind of reel, let it fall, reel, let it fall. Signs of life around here. Try to cast it where they are. Oh, I got a bite. Oh man, I either had a bite or a snag. I'm pretty sure it was a bite though. And now my line is completely messed up. Oh, I got a bite. That is a legit bite. I got a fish. Oh, I got a fish. Come on, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Don't come off. On the dead bluegill. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, come on. Don't break the line, come on. You're almost there, buddy, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yes, that's a good sized fish. That is a good sized fish on the dead bluegill. Oh my gosh, that is nuts. Oh, that's crazy. I had no idea that that was gonna work. With the found object, holy crap. All right, let's see if we can lip this guy without getting hooked. God, I'm still like really, really not good at this. Okay, there, we got him. Oh, we gotta weigh this guy. Oh, let me not get you in the eye. Was he end up like that boss fish that I fought recently? Oh, come on, this is not good. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave my pole over here. I left my stuff all the way over there. This is a good fish. On the dead bluegill. Nice looking guy, healthy fish. Gonna get him weighed up real quick. I mean, I don't think he's quite a 2-pounder, but let's see. Wow, that seemed like it was not gonna work. Oh my gosh. Very exciting. Very exciting. And if I now catch one on a worm, that's going to qualify me for the multi-species bonus. Come on, where's the freaking scale? What do we got? We got 1 pound, 1 pound, 11 ounces. All right, let's get this guy back real quick. He's been out too long. So not over 2 pounds. But good fish on a found object bait. That is pretty freaking cool, if you ask me. You good? He's good. He is good. Awesome. All right, so where's the shade right now? Shade is on that side, which I have not been to. And I think I may need to just make a jaunt over there. All right, so I'm trying to find my way back to the water. I came across this area. Not sure what they're doing, but this might be an interesting place to fish. Curious what's beyond this bridge here. Is this walkable? Chance of injury seems higher than 0. Honestly though, this is part of the fun of it for me. It's an adventure, after all. Ooh. Ooh. I just need to make it over this rough section here and then I'm relatively home free. Oh, that is straight up water. Okay. Ugh. I think this is a little premature, but I mean, this could be like the spot. You never know until you try it. Oh, Ope. That's a fish. That's a fish. That is a fish. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Don't get in the reeds. Come on. Yes. 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 All right. Not a great, huge fish, but nice fish. That was the first cast in this area. Oh, that's good. He's at least 1 pound. Definitely not a 2-pounder, but heck, I will take his fish for the first cast in a new area. We will take this fish to the Experience Bank. All right. All right, awesome. What a good feeling. You know, I was getting real frustrated in the area that I was in. You know, this may be a whole different ballpark over here. Really need to get better at getting these hooks out. All right. And what this qualifies me for is the multi-lure bonus. So that means I get a 2 times bonus since I use 2 different types of lures. This fish is worth more than maybe he certainly otherwise would be. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the muck here. I'm just gonna toss him over. Oh, I almost fell in myself. Okay. All right, good fish, good little fish. More XP on the board. Now I needed 800 to get to level 2. Gosh, we're either there or we're within striking distance. 2 times multiplier for multi-lure. They were both worth 100 experience points apiece, so I'm halfway to 800. Worst case, by the end of the day today, I'll be at 1600 XP, which is 400 XP away from level 2. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, there's not a whole lot left in the GoPro tank here. The line is definitely weakened and I can't really do anything about it. But we're gonna see if we can grab some more fish. Basically, any fish here on out has a 2 times multiplier because of the multi-bait bonus. So in terms of fish, even you know, less than 2-pound fish, I've just got to bank 2. Now if I get a single 2-pound fish, that's going to put me at level 2. So I'm really excited at that possibility, especially given that just 1 cast in this area and I'm already on the fish. It's good to see. Kind of like the idea of getting on top of this log here, using that as a launch pad. Oh, big fish just ran away from under here. Okay, falling off the tree. Okay. Well, I guess that kind of lends credence to the notion that the big fish are under cover like this. Whew. This is so cool getting over here. Oh. Got a fish while I was checking the text message. Not a good idea. Oh no, and I lost him. Oh, that was dumb. I need to pay attention. Gosh darn it. That is unfortunate. Damn it. Shoot. I really cannot risk this. Just gotta get down there and get it. Well, I should have known that that was going to happen. Oh, this is gross. Ew. Well, so much for my nice log home there. God. Okay. Can we get one more fish? God, just one would be really cool. Oh, right on the log. Is that instant snag, or what do we got here? Oh, something's on it. Something's on it. Yes, I got a fish. Oh my gosh. Stay on. He's coming right for me. He's trying to get in the weeds. Okay. No. All right, so what happened there is my auxiliary camera is my phone. A call came in and it cut off the video. Basically, I outsmarted this little guy. He was trying to dive me into the weeds, and I did successfully get around him. So what we're gonna do right now is call it a day and add up the experience points for this adventure number 6. Thanks for watching.